Hey guys, welcome to another episode at Coinverse, and in today's episode we are going to review a very useful project. The name of the project is ELM Coin, ELM Coin, where ELM stands for Enterprise Legion Management, the name of the company which is behind this project. And before I explain the services ELM Coin offers, let me drive you through the core problem which this project aims to solve. So let's just suppose that you have a small business and you want to scale it to higher levels. You want it to be competing with the higher level businesses. But for that you need capital, because with capital you can get better infrastructure, better workforce, better technologies and whatnot. There are other many advantages with better capital. And for raising the capital, what you do is go to the investors, venture capitalists, ask them for money, ask certain people for money who has probably never utilized your company, your products, your services. And in exchange for certain shares of your company, you will get the capital and you scale your project. That's how the traditional world operates. But there is a better alternative of Web3. So what if you have your own token, a crypto token, which users or followers of the project or the company invest in? They get the token which represents your company, and the capital which they utilize to get that token is received by the core company, that is you. So you get the capital, and in exchange for the capital what you are doing is giving the token which represents the company to your users. Since users trust your company, they have been followers of your company, they understand that a company might profit in the future, and that's why they have invested. You use that capital to scale your project. As the project scales to a higher level, the demand for the token which represents your company also goes higher, the price also goes higher, and with this price the initial subscribers profit out due to the gap. And that is what a crypto token can do for a small business. They don't have to go through the tedious process of selling their own shares to raise capital. Also, there are many other advantages with the crypto token. You can streamline the operations with the smart contract. The payments to the employees can be done automatically. The international transfers can be done very quickly instead of taking days in the traditional world. The transaction fees for international transfer again will be comparatively less as compared to a lot of dollars for in the traditional world, because of lot of intermediaries. I will upload a picture over here. We have written an article on it at Coinverse. You can go and check it out. But since there are a lot of intermediaries, there is a lot of transaction fees in the traditional world. But in the crypto world, the transfer is instant, as well as there is not so high of a transaction fee required. And there are other many advantages with launching a crypto token. But the problem with launching a crypto token is that you need the knowledge of blockchain, the different types of blockchain. You need to know what a smart contract is, what a white paper is, how to market the token. If you are interested into NFTs, what are those, how to create the space for NFTs, how to create a staking of your own crypto token, and there are many other such things which might take certain amount of time for the company. It will also probably involve hiring certain people, and again it will lead to a lot of inefficiencies and wastage of time. But to resolve this problem, what generally company does is just they hire an expert entity to handle all their problems regarding this and give the end product in hand which the company desires. And enterprise legion management is that expert in the space. So what all you have to do is just go to their website, fill a 3-line form. They will contact you. They will take your needs into consideration, and according to those needs, they will draft a smart contract, a white paper, and by using those smart contract and white paper, they will develop a crypto token which satisfies all your needs of the company. With that crypto token, you can raise the capital you want, you can streamline the operations with automatic payments, you can probably also launch the NFT marketing channel on your own website with the help of ELM Coin, and there are other such services as well. So if we head to their website, the website is very detailed, so you can actually head there and learn about the project yourself. I will link the websites in the description box. So if you head to the website, you can see it has been seen on Fox, MarketWatch, as well as NBCs, and they have given the features of their services. That they will be able to draft your smart contracts, white papers, as well as develop your token. With that, what amount of advantages you can get, and how you can leverage your own company to a higher level. If you head to their services tab, you can see they can also make an NFT section of your website, at your portal. They can give you a developer security token, which we were talking about. They will also develop a staking system on which your investors can stake the token and probably get a certain amount of return APYs, certain amount of ROI on the investment. They will also handle marketing of the token, which is an essential part. With marketing, you will have higher number of investors, and with higher number of investors, you will have a higher number of capital. So that's also useful. They have given all the plans in detail, as well as you can easily contact them with again a 3-4 line form, and they will contact you themselves. We again have a detailed article on it on our website. You can head there and check it out. So as you can see, ELM coin will help new projects which are launching, as well as the already existing traditional project, pivot to a higher level with the help of Web3, and they will take all the stress, they will take all the essential measures which needs to be taken, essential considerations of each and every project which they need to take, and you will just get the end product of having a crypto token. So that's it about from my side. If you have any questions about ELM coin, you can head to their website and ask them themselves. They have a 24/7 customer services, as well as we have written a detailed article on our website, as well as they have certain blog posts on their website as well. All of them will be linked in the description box. If you like the video, let me know by liking this video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any other projects we can review, let me know in the comment section. We will check it out, and we will probably make a video on it as well. Thank you.